Trillanes a good senator? I certainly hope so. Okay, ano yung common question sa akin about Google? Is Trillanes still a senator? Hindi na po. My term ended back in 2019. So, I had 2 terms as senator from 2007 up to 2019. Is Trillanes a lawyer? Hindi po ako lawyer. I am a soldier by profession. I graduated sa PMA back in 1995. So, Naval Systems Engineer. Then, I got my master's in public administration. Is Trillanes still in jail? So, obviously not. Bigyan po ako ng amnesty ni President Aquino back in 2010. So, nakulong po ako from July 2003 up to December 20 of 2010. Is Trillanes running for senator? Hindi po, no? I am running for mayor of Caloocan City. Is Trillanes running for mayor? Yes, I am running for mayor of Caloocan City. Is Trillanes a soldier? I used to be from 1991 to 2006 when I filed for my certificate of candidacy to become a candidate for senator for the 2007 elections. Is Trillanes married? Yes, married po ako. I got married back in 1997. Is Trillanes a good senator? I certainly hope so. But modesty aside, I was awarded by the Philippine Senate as the most productive senator from 2007 to 2019 for having passed the most number of national bills into law, no, as principal author and principal sponsor.